Have you been wanting to learn how to invest but just don't know where to start? Well, today I'm going to show you the basics of investing, called Basics 101. Before we get started, here's how you can win $25. Follow me on IG, screenshot or record your favorite clip from any of my videos, post it in your story, and @ me with a cool caption. Congratulations to your boy Jay on IG. Y'all go check him out. So happy for you. This week's spotlight goes to Ladybug Media Management. I posted that stating that I got 100 new authentic followers on Instagram within 5 hours. I was so excited, and she commented that stating, yes, congratulations, I'd love to learn the strategy. And I said, sure, I'll do a live. If you guys want to know how I was able to get those 100 authentic followers in just an hour, comment below and I'll show you too. First things first, love. What is investing? Well, investing is when you take on a particular risk of your own money for financial gain. See, not hard, just are you willing to do it? Warren Buffett said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until the day you die. Now let's learn about the types of investments. You got your stocks, your bonds, your ETFs, your real estate, your cash equivalents, your commodities, and your currencies. You got yourself a whole holster of money makers. Take a screenshot or jot these notes down. Here are your simple ways for remembering the different types of investments. Stocks are owning part of a company. Bonds are purchased debts, to where the investor purchased the debts of the government to be paid back with interest. An ETF is your blended stocks, like your mutual funds. It's basically like your stocks had little babies and you're invested in all of them equally because you just love them so much. Real estate is rented or sold land or property. Cash negotiables would be like your checks or your promissory notes. Commodities would be things that are traded for cash value, like gold, silver, or crops. And then you have currencies, like the exchange of currencies based off of their value. Now, before you just jump in the markets, you do need to ask yourself two very, very important questions. One, am I in debt? Yeah, okay, that's everybody, right? So we'll just skip past that. Well, some people are not in debt. So for you, you responsible, dadgummit, good job, because these student loans, how y'all ride everything but can't seem to find Sally Mae or Navion? Ask yourself, am I in debt? If you're in debt, there's arguments on what is the right thing to do. Robert Kiyosaki would argue the wealthy use their assets to pay off their debts. So they're not really too concerned about that. The poor and the middle class would argue, let's pay off our debts. However, because I've been reading on my books, I'm inclined to believe that investing can allow you to use your overflow to pay off your debts. Second, ask yourself, do I have an emergency fund? Now that is really important. I mean, really, look at the recent events. How well would you be off if you weren't worried about if another stimulus check was coming just to get by? Always have 3 to 6 months worth of savings available in your savings account just in case an emergency happens. And if you need help learning to save, click here or here, wherever it shows up. And I'm going to show you how you can save $5,000 in 1 year. Now we've got that covered, let me show you 2 easy ways to invest. The 2 ways that I've chosen to invest are through penny stocks and the foreign exchange market. Why? Because for both forms of investing, you really don't need a lot of money to do so, but you can definitely grow it. So if you watch my video on 3 stocks to invest in that has made me thousands, guess what? They were on basically penny stocks. And if you see my Instagram post, you know that I've been trading in the foreign exchange market for 3 years now. You don't need a lot of money to make money. You just need to know what you're doing. So hopefully this investing 101 has given you a solid overview to where you can say, I think I can invest too. If you have any questions, please follow me on Instagram @TheBougieBudgeter and send me a DM. Y'all have a great day.
Head on over to bebougie.com and download your free resources. All you have to do is plug in that information and you have access for the rest of forever to the Be Bougie Vault.